For this tutorial, we're going to be making a goodie or favor pack. Let's get started. So you're going to grab these materials. You're going to grab your pipe cleaner, your perforator, your scissors, and your paper cup. So that's that. Once you grab it, you're going to then take your paper cup and fold the top like that and cut out the very top, just like what I'm doing. So you take your paper cup, fold it, and cut out the top like that. Yes, that's what you need to do. Once you're done, you're going to cut out the two edges. Just take a little piece and cut it out. That's edge one. You're going to turn it around and cut the second edge too, just like that. Cut it out, and you're going to then grab your perforator, and you should all have one in your supply kit. So you take it and punch it all. Can you see that? And punch it all on the other side too. So this is called a perforator or puncher. So you're going to, once you're done with punching the holes, you're then going to grab your pipe cleaner and put it into the holes that you just punched in your cup, and you're going to then twist the ends of the pipe cleaners just like that. You take the two ends and you're going to twist it like that. Yeah, you twist. Be very careful with the pins in the pipe cleaners. So once you're done twisting, you're then going to pull out your pipe cleaners, and that you just made the handle of your goodie bag. And that's all you have to do to make this goodie bag or party favor. You can then put in, all your candies. You can put in anything you want to put in it. You can then give this to friends when you have classroom events that you have to bring something. You can use this. This is very quick to make, as you can see, and you can put in all your, all the gifts that you want to put inside, candies, cookies, and that's it. I hope you've learned something. See you in the next one.